Welcome to Candid Conversations by Cherry TV, where we dive deep into insightful and engaging discussions with industry leaders and innovators. In this interview, we take you behind the scenes at the Smart Cold Chain Expo 2023 in conversation with Mr. Laksha Varshney, co-founder and director sales, Alpha Cold.
So, thank you for this opportunity, ma'am. Myself, Lakshay, I'm representing the Alpha Code solution for the manufacturing of refrigerated containers. So, company is providing the solution of the supply chain management for the foods products related to the food products from one place to another. So, our container manufacturing is like what was the product us? It's a refrigerated containers which supply the insulated containers to the products and secure the temperature control products. Like the example is like food products, vegetables, ice creams, chocolates, medicines, pharmaceuticals. So these are the products which have to secure in our reefer containers. Right. So this is the particular product we have manufactured. And right now we are going to innovate the container about what the new in this company. So we represent the container for the show what was the new of the product, because logistic companies and the transportation containers is regular coming in last few 10 to 12 years, and this is the completely logistic is growing to the in last 2 3 years you saw that it should be the very high growth side. So we think about it what was the product what we provide to customers, for the farmers, for the agriculture department, for the one place to another. So this is the product which have to supply the products.
I'll move ahead to the next question. I wanted to ask what sets your company's products apart from competitors in terms of performance, reliability or features?
See, this and earlier I just told this is the container to secure the product. See, in ice cream industry, one container having the costing of the material is approximate 1.5 lakh to 2 lakhs. Or this is very huge amount for the transportation and for the customer. For the others, how we are better is like the durability of the container and the insulation holding of the container. See, refrigerated container having two parts: refrigerated containers and the refrigerated unit. Refrigerated unit is performs how the temperature coming in the containers, and the container performance is how to hold the temperature. If your container is better, the holding temperature is better, then the customer have saving their diesel consumption, because refrigerated unit is coming to the vehicle drive units. So my product is like this is the container, or it's a jointless container. First thing, jointless container. Second thing, the insulation is coming around the overall 4 dimensionals. See, there is no joint. It means the connectivity of metal to metal is there is no one. So in further competitors products, they have a joint, but I have the products which have the jointless container. So this is the first achievement, we can do it. Second, it's inside jointless. Third is SS304 grade food material we use in the food product, like you saw in plant, ice cream plant, there is a SS plants, SS material which is used for the food products. Like we eat the food in the SS plates, you know well. So this is a rust-free product. So we use only the SS inside completely. So this is how we are better than others.
Definitely. That was an amazing answer. So I have 2 more questions for you.
Yes.
How do you approach the integration of digital technologies such as IoT or blockchain in your cold chain solutions?
See, IoT and blockchain is a department to marketize the customers, how we can advertise the product to the customers, how can inform the product to the customers on how the product is better to the customer. So basically IoT or BOQ is represented to containers, this is the container, how the product knowledge. First of all, the product knowledge have to know about the customer. Secondly, how the price is benefit to the customer, because price benefit is must to the customer. सबसे पहले कि our product tagline is colder, lighter and stronger. These three words are totally represent the colder, lighter and stronger. It means कि मेरा product जो है वो colder भी है, lighter भी है और stronger भी है others. So this is the BOQ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. अगर हम इसको कहीं शो करते हैं या इंडियन कोल्ड चेन शो में प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं टू कंपेयर द अदर्स, तो कस्टमर गिव द रिस्पॉन्स इज वेरी फार एंड वेरी गुड कि यार दिस इज अ न्यू इंग्रेडिएंट.
Is there anything else you would like to share with our audience about your company or the experience at Smart Cold Chain Expo?
Yes, ma'am. Basically, this is our first time in Indian cold chain, so we are participating in the ice cream industry. logistic companies. But Indian cold chain, why we have to participate? Because this is the cold chain complete solutions. There is a warehousing, there is a cold storage, there is a cold rooms, there is a logistic of companies, refrigerated transportations. So now we have to just discuss this concern कि the productivity of the containers is going better. Diligence, durability of the container is that कि how we can strong for the long lasting customer benefit. See, the life of the container is approximately 8 to 10 years. But after 8 to 10 years, is there any chance this is reliable container? See, there is a difference कि if the accidental is going on, it is a separate part, it will be repairable. But the consistency of your product, जो ड्यूरेबिलिटी है वो आपकी कितनी अच्छी है कितनी नहीं है वो डिपेंड करता है. और सेकंड इज कि आवर कंपनी एम और टारगेट इज कि टू रिप्रेजेंट योर प्रोडक्ट टू द कस्टमर, टू सेविंग ऑफ द कस्टमर ओनली, not to the marketize, not to the profitable, because our company is starting in 2015 or we have a two competitor very much higher which have to launch in. One is the Coimbatore Suraksha and one we have to use. So we are going to the North India largest manufacturer in the last time of interval. The last time of interval, so customer asks ki how you are better. So there is only two options. If you think about your customer benefit, you always doing a better.
It was really amazing talking to you, interviewing you. It was our sincerest pleasure to be associated, and we wish you all the best for your future,
Thank you,
sir.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.